Cool. Okay. So welcome. You all so excited. There is almost a couple thousand people right now on Google Meet and YouTube live stream. And welcome to the new user onboarding. I am Glenn Ken, and I am the Operation and Marketing Director from Wonder Idea, major handling FlipHTML5.com. And today our topic is about new user onboarding. So I will not cover much detail of each feature, but I will cover the basic concept and what is FlipHTML5 and how you can make flipbook in a split second. And then we will walk through the custom interface and and the page editor. To be honest, my English is not very fluent, and because my mother language is not English, so please excuse me for my accent. And in the comment field, you can leave your question or idea, and my assistant will pick them up. I will try to answer some of them, and okay, I will try to answer some of them at the end of this webinar. I will leave 10 minutes for Q&A, so please just be patient. Okay, so let's see how many people here. Wow, you guys can see how many right now, because we have two Google Meet, so there is lots of people here. And and okay, so wow, so many message. Every people here. Let's just get started. And this is today's agenda. We have 5 parts. The first part is FlipHTML. What is FlipHTML5? And the second part is popular use case examples. I will try to demo some use case so you can understand what is FlipHTML5 better. And the third one is customized interface 101. And the 4 parts is page editor. I will take a simple walkthrough, and I will teach you how to add link, how to add video, how to embed multiple media. Okay, so first thing first. Okay, what is FlipHTML5? FlipHTML5 is a digital publishing platform to convert your static document to a page-turning flipbook. Okay, so what is the page-turning flipbook? And this is the thing you're watching right now, right? I made this a presentation using the Microsoft PowerPoint and then upload to FlipHTML5 to make this flipping book you are watching right now. So you may ask, what is the difference between the static document and the page turning flipbook? That's the major 3 difference. I just list 3 major difference. The first is the speed, and the second is the engagement, and the third is the content hub. So let's watch a video. Maybe we open full page. You can right now. Maybe we just get started so fast. And if you this one is the intent that someone sent me a PDF, right? And the other sent me a free book. So the first one, when I open the email with the PDF, you can see, okay, I open the attachment, and then it loading. Okay, finally here, it got the PDF. It's just fixed content, and the second one is a free book. Okay, you just click the link of the free book because it's web page, and then it loads instantly. It opens very fast. And in the free book, you can have video. It can also display. It can auto play once you load the page. I will cover that in the page editor session. Okay, that's the first difference, the speed, right? You can feel that how fast our free book, how slow is the PDF. In some extreme cases, the PDF will crash the device if it's so large. And the second one is the engagement. Because as you see in the video, the PDF is just fixed content, right? Here it is. Okay, the fixed content, it just have, it only have image and text. It's a great storytelling tools in the old-fashioned way, right? But it's not for the modern world. So if you're looking for engagement, especially looking for interactive engagement, the PDF cannot make it because the PDF cannot have a video, cannot have a slideshow, cannot embed Google Map, can done lots of things. So it's fixed content. I think engagement and interactive can drive success of the content. So it should be the key of your guys' content strategy. So if you need engagement content, Flipbook is one of the best choice. And for the last one is the Content Hub. As you see, if you want to put the video, put all of your interactive content into one place, you can build a web page, of course. But in some cases, all you have is a static document. So how you can make your static document as a Content Hub, Flipbook will be the solution. Okay. So I just mean that you guys will have lots of solution for the Content Hub. For example, I can build a page, right? I can embed the video, lots of things. But I think not everybody know how to make a web page. Not everybody have the access of a web page. So, but everybody should have a Word or PDF or these static things. So you can just register a free HTML5 account and make it to your Content Hub without making a complex website. So that's the major difference. And I just give you guys some popular use case example. And frankly speaking, I did not pick the elite brand or the big brand. I just go to our Google Analytics and I just random pick some of the small business to show you how the common user use our service is very great. And the first one is Gabriel, New York. It's a fine jewelry brand. It just lists all its offline brochure in their website using our service. We can visit that for a little bit. You can see it lists, is an old customer. They start using our service start from 2017, and they just update their book and in this beautiful page, and then the user can visit each catalog and to feel the their product, because lots of fine jewelry shop will have brochure, right? They just upload to our platform and let the user have the same experience they have on their offline store. I think this is a very great example because in the last 3 years, the pandemic strike the work, right? So lots of business need to go online, and luckily they put everything online. So I think they will have a less impact than the others. And the second one is a hotel from Turkey. We love Turkey. We have lots of clients from Turkey, and this hotel is called Noma Hotels. I hope I pronounced right. Oops. Okay, I think I get wrong. Noma Hotels. So it have a beautiful website, and you can see the video, and it also have this wonderful brochure on their website. And the key point is, if you send the PDF to the client, they cannot see this landscape because what is PDF, right? I can show you how PDF looks like, and the PDF only in a vertical way, right? It cannot have this wonderful horizon view. So if you want to demonstrate some landscape, especially for the travel business, that will be the perfect case to demonstrate your landscape. And it also, you can have multiple image. We have a very clear image, and it's very fast. And at the end, I think it's very smart choice. They have the QR code here on their brochure. I don't know whether or not they have this QR code on their offline brochure, but if they know, they can have this one using our page editor. It's just a very easy job. Okay, the third one is Oriental history document. I knew this creator is, his name is Darren, and I hope I think it's not here. And why this not happen? Okay. Oriental. Okay. And this is official. This is a government office. He just lists all the budget in this website using our service. You can see beautiful budget, beautiful bookcase. It just demonstrates all the possibility of our product. You can see that in the bookcase, you have all the government's plan, the government budget, everything. It's very nice, right? The historical budget, right? Because every government have budget, so you just open all the information in this way. Okay, and the next one is Brower. Brower is a very niche gear seller. The reason why I picked this small business in the example is because they're using the catalog as a lead generation tools. As you see, if you're interested in their product, they will require you to fill a form to get the catalog, right? When you enter something and request the catalog and subscribe, and then they will send a book link, but they already put here. So if you are a target customer of Blur, you can just sign up the form or just visit this opening catalog, and you can see how their service, how their product could be, right? Because you see the texture, you can also zoom out to see the details of the product. So nice, very nice catalog, very nice strategy. And the last one is very interesting. It's a Japanese company, and it is a forest supply. Sorry, it's also a small company, but very niche. They're using FlipHTML5 for their storytelling because they are tree supplier, wood supplier. Sorry, they need to cut the tree, right? Because nowadays lots of people don't like the company hurt the environment, so they just use our product to show their social responsibility, to show their idea. This is why I'm choosing this, because they use our service as a storytelling tools. You can tell, right? This is how this company's concept. We cannot go against the nature. Okay, they need to convey this idea. They need to convey they are value to their target customer before they sell their business. So they use lots of beautiful pictures, different models, and to demonstrate their idea. Sorry, it's just in Japanese, but lots of picture. You can see that he is the green land, right? We care about the green land, so we made it sustainable. We did cut the tree, but we carry so much. That's their idea. So you can see how the picture, how the model, and even that they show the environment, the working environment, right? And sorry, hold on a second. Right? If you organize this story in PDF, you cannot have this feeling. You just feel some cold company without any social responsibility. That's why FlipHTML5 is the storytelling tools for lots of company. And at the end, I think they're using very good tactics. Maybe we just browse through. I remember they have a page to show their position on the industry using infograph, and very nice. You can see that, okay, the city, because it just showed the company's connection with the local community, with the local environment, and this is their achievement at last. So very great company portfolio for me. Also very good design, but FlipHTML5 only to help them to amplify their designs. Okay, so for the next one is the independent Herald. It's a newspaper. It just had put the e-version of the newspaper online, so you can visit that link. For example, because we have lots of magazine and newspaper using our service, and I will cover a little bit in a custom interface, so you guys can know what our solution for the media company. Okay. And let's go to the third part, the customer interface 101. So after you upload the PDF, you will see the custom interface, right? So right at this part, I will not show the. I will show how we can make a free book in 3 minutes. Okay, let's just go to the interface of our website. I just need to close a little bit of tabs. So many tabs. Okay, where is the FlipHTML5? Oops, I should not. Let's go to the dashboard and upload. And once you register, you will be in this interface. This interface called upload. You can access this interface by click the upload button on the top right corner here. You can see my mouse, right? Okay, here it is, upload. Okay, it's very simple. You can just click the blue file, browse file, or you can just drag and drop your PDF or words, PPT, any static document, image, and then it will uploading automatically. So very easy, right? And then it start to convert. So it will take a few seconds. And at this part, you can go back to the dashboard, do elsewhere, or you can wait here. Okay. So maybe we just go to the dashboard to see how it looks like in the book management interface. Right now, the book you're uploading is converting. A little slow because I think there is lots of users here using our service right now, because our service is also very popular in Southeast Asia and Middle East and Turkey. Okay, So you can have the folder to manage that, right? Maybe we just go back to the file to the book management service. Okay, 95%. Okay, I need to move to the webinar folder so I can locate it very easily, right? So after you upload the brochure, you can click customize. Right now, you are already on the customer interface. I need to do a little bit to demonstrate how your guys normally look. Okay, I need to apply the default because this is the custom design. So I need to make a little bit design so you can see us the one in your experience. Okay, normally you will see once you click customize, you will see this interface, right? This is called custom interface. At this moment, your box is already for use. Very easy. You can just copy the link and to open it and copy paste to your email, right? You can send here, right? I already do that. You can add the link or cut the image, or you can use it in your newsletter. For example, I can link this book to this beautiful image, and then that's it. You can use the book after uploading without any customization, right? It feel great. It feel great. It have the same feeling as the presentation I just give you. Okay. Yeah, you can see the image is so clear. Okay, you can also it can automatically identify the link in your PDF. It's already for use. That's it. You already have the free book. Okay, but you guys are looking forward to me for more skill, right? So I will go through the basic setting. The first one is the book information. The book information is the one your books looks like in Google. For example, I need to, okay, I just search a few books, for example, and this title is the one your target audience see on the Google search. This is called title. And this is called description. This is called description. This is called description. How this books looks like this because the creator did not take this two meta information series. I strongly advise you to write the title and description as good as you can, because it can increase the possibility your position in Google, which means you get your content can get more exposure to your target audience. You can get more traffic from Google. So just try to write the right description of your book. If you don't know, you just copy the title and to the ChatGPT, right? I'm not sure whether whether or not your guys using ChatGPT is very amazing. You just copy paste and let them give you a 100-word description. But we just give an example. The new Porsche 911 Turbo brochure for Hong Kong clients, and it has blah blah blah. Okay, so just write it as good as you can, and if you feel the book is not right, if you feel the book is not, for example, if you feel the front cover and back cover is not okay for you. So you can use this re-upload feature to make it right. There's lots of here you can reconvert. By using reconvert, you do not need to re-upload your PDF again or your file again. You just need to make a little setting, and this setting is very important. Frank speaking, 99% users do not need to reconvert their PDF. But in case some of you are looking for a solution for media company, I would cover a little bit here. There's two important parts here. The first part is page split mode. If you see your cover, your front cover and back cover is not right, for example, if your back cover and front cover in this way, or in this way, you should try this cut instead of the auto one. The auto is the best for 99% user, right? But if your cover is some special pagination because some document is designed for printing, okay, for printing. There's a professional saying called imposition, which means they will organize the page in different pagination. It's called imposition. If your document impose for the printing purpose, you should consider to try this. If you did not know what to do, just drop us an email. Our customer service will help you. Okay. So the second one is the page rendering quality. It is you see, there's lots of option here. The default option is the best because it balances the quality and the speed. So it's the best choice for most of our user. If you're looking for higher quality image, higher definition of the image, you can choose another quality in the full vector engine, right? The default one is the best choice. And if you will have some fine design magazine with very tiny, small, beautiful text, I strongly advise you try this HT text option because it optimizes for small text. If you need sharp text, if you need your small text be clear, you should try this one. But in the meantime, the image will be a little bit blurred if you're using this engine, but it's the same quality with the default one. So it's okay, it's just optimized for the test, okay? For the remerge, if you have something forgotten, for example, I need to merge a lead form, I need to merge example. Okay, so your screen is still visible for others. Okay, sorry. If you need to remerge the file, you just use the remerge because sometimes we have some content update, right? You do not need to re-upload again or make extra document. And the re-upload is just upload it again. So that's the book information. Sorry, just I just get some reference from the Google Meet. And let's come back to customize. And that's the book info and re-upload. And I will cover the easy feature, and then I will cover the customize. And the static is where you can see the performance of your book. You can see the page visit or the duration or your audience, where your audience from. Some company need that data, right? If you set up Google Analytics, you can also see the button click and keyword search and social share, hyperlink, any event taking taking place on your book. And the visibility is a very important setting for our client. The default setting is the public. The public is the default one. Anyone have the link can visit, right? If you set it as private, it's also very easy to understand. Only the one have the link can be accessed, and we do not submit to Google, which means if you find something like the Porsche magazine on Google, the audience will cannot search on Google. They will probably do not see your content on Google because you just said private. Private means only the one have the link can access. We will not submit to the search engine. Some internal document or training document, we need to use this setting. And the last one is the password, right? Only the one have the password can access, okay? And the monetize feature have a 3 part. The first part is add a banner. You can just have the add banner on your book. You can place anywhere you want. And also we support 80 cents. If you are 80 cents user, you can just grab your publisher ID. I think this is called publisher ID. Here, just copy and paste. Here, you can see the Google Ads on your book, or you can sell the book. I will not cover the digital sales because we are upgrading this great feature, which means you can sell your book. You can receive the money direct from your audience. We are using the same solution which Airbnb, Uber using right now. It's called Stripe. So we will update this feature this week. I hope that I will cover this feature in the next webinar. So I will not cover today, but you just remember FlipHTML5 can help you make money from your content. You can sell your content to your audience. You can receive the money directly from your audience. That's a very important part for lots of creators. Okay, we love the creator. We want the creator to make money in our platform. Okay, so for the download part, you can set how you can your reader can download your file. You can set PDF or HTML or exe. So I suggest you click PDF and HTML if they love the flipping experience. Okay. Also, they can download as a exe or apps. Okay. In the share feature, they got 2 options. The first option is share and social. I think I will bypass this, right? By the way, you can have the QR code, so you can copy the QR code, like the hotel I just mentioned a little earlier, right? You can just have this book's QR code on the page. Okay, you can also embed on the website. You just copy this link, copy this iframe code, and put anywhere on your CMS or on the WordPress. That's cool. Just copy and paste this iframe code, and you can embed anywhere on the website. Okay, so that's the share. And for the branding part, I will not cover because it will also on the customized way. You can just set the logo, your URL on this branding. So let's jump back to the customize, right? Right now, you already have a book ready for use, but you're not happy for the design. For example, I am a distributor for Porsche in Hong Kong. I do not like the dark one because, you know, Porsche love the white color. So how can I customize that? There is an easy way. The easy way is just go to the themes. We have a bunch of layout and preset. So you can just go to the preset. Okay, first, maybe we just talk about a little layout. Layout means the outlooking of the book and those toolbars and control feature of your free book. here the toolbar here, and the pre and next button. This is called the layout. For example, if you want, if you don't like the search bar, if you don't like some toolbar here, you can select the minimalist. That's my favorite. That's my favorite because nothing here, right? You can just tap and by clicking, okay, gone. You got this one, right? You can see the difference, and no toolbar, only very tiny pre and next control button. And okay, but if you want a little more about the if you still need the toolbar, you can choose the lively, and you can see the toolbar is on the left corner, very small, right? Okay, I think we maybe keep the little toolbar here. And then for the preset part, preset means the colors, the toolbar colors, is a combination how your layout looks. It's called presets, okay? You can just, because we are looking for a clean way, right? So we just use white wall, maybe. Let's try this way, okay. Okay, it goes like some white stone, right? But not the texture we want. So maybe we're using the milk way, the milk the preset. Okay, that's feel much better, right? Feel much better. So maybe we just use this one for tape. But to demonstrate the other, I need to go back to classic because I love this one, but I need classic to demonstrate some other features. So we just turn a little back. Okay, we still got this bread, and then we will go to the milk, right? And the reason why I need to use the classic because I need to demonstrate some of this feature. In the design field, you can control everything about your toolbars, everything about this background. So for the toolbar, okay, so I love the toolbar, but I prefer not to show the toolbar. What should I do? You just go to the toolbar general setting, and then by clicking the toolbar, you can mute it. You can mute the toolbar. So the toolbar is here right now. And once you mute the toolbar, it's gone once again. So you can display the toolbar by clicking here. Okay. If you mute, it's gone. Okay. So maybe we just still have the toolbar, and this toolbar is on the right corner, and you can change the toolbar color. For example, I changed to red, right? Because I need the people have more clear way. So I think not very clear. Why it go blue? You have some overlapping maybe, and also you can change the button color. You can change it to a red, right? You can change to green. Maybe we just change another theme to more clear way. Maybe just use the default metro. Okay, here it is. Wow, that's very ugly, right? But just for demonstrate. Okay, cool. So you can have the front cover, and you can also have the home button. Okay, maybe we just change not so ugly. Okay, I cannot bear the red color. Okay, maybe we just refresh. Have some networking issue. Okay, go to the color I just set, and in the toolbar settings, right? Go general setting, and the home means the little button in the toolbar. We just turn it off, turn it on. Where is the home button? Here it is. Where's the home button? Okay. So, not here. It should be have a house similar button. Okay, here. Okay, that's we have very strong cache strategy. So if you do not see the setting, you just need to refresh, and we just turn it on, and it will have this little button here. That's called home button in the toolbar, and it can let you have the link of your book page, or you can have the website of your official website. So just put the link based on your need, okay? And also you can have the background sound, you can have your profile. And if you have the profile, it will have some information icon on the toolbar. So yeah, hit this one. Because we did not set anything, right? You need to set up a little bit, like Glenn and blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's it. And you can see my name. Because we save instantly, so okay, you can see, right, the information I just typed in the profile. And also you can add video category and image category here in this toolbar if you try to add more engagement, right? Here, or also you can have the backward forward in the toolbar. So everything on this toolbar can customize. I will not cover all of them. You just experience them. That's okay, right? For example, the book, the bookmark button and the TOC, and also the search button, lots of buttons you can select on the toolbar. Okay, let's go back to the base setting. And that's it. That's the toolbar concept. For the base setting, it has all the setting of the layout except the toolbar. So you can set everything, like the background, like the control button here on this basic setting in the customize. You can, for example, if I don't like this button, I don't like this the next button or the previous button, I can mute that, okay? Or you can control the mobile button. You can enter the Google Analytics ID. By the way, we already support Google Analytics 4, the latest version of Google Analytics. So just go to the profile and copy the data stream. There is something called measurement ID. You just copy the measurement ID here. It will be okay. So I may just demonstrate a little bit here. Maybe I just log in my Google Analytics account, because lots of users ask this question. I just find wherever. Okay, I need a Google Analytics 4 account. I need to, maybe we just go to Google Analytics 4 account, and then we need to go to the admin, and then we go to the data stream, and you should select web because we have app. So select the right one. You can copy this one. This is called measurement ID. Copy this one. For example, we copy that back to our book and place here. That's it. And you already set Google Analytics Live on your book, okay? For the logo setting, what's meant by logo setting? That's logo, right? That's your brand. For example, in this part, because we are a Porsche seller, a distributor in Hong Kong, so we need to use a Porsche logo here. Okay, you can right now, okay. So it should be here on top of the setting. So maybe we just refresh because we have some cache issue. Already have, right? The logo. You can see when you're uploading, you have the brand here, and you can also have the background setting. You can change another color. Sorry, I will not set the red. I will set, maybe we set the pink one. Maybe we set the pinky one. We have the pinky one, and then have the other green one. Maybe I think we also need to refresh because today I don't know why we have so many cache. Normally my you just set and everything we will see right away. Okay, so the background setting you can have the gradient. You can have the also you can have the image file if you like, just like editing a Word or PowerPoint, and also you can have the dynamic background. What is dynamic background? This is a very cool feature. And for example, we can set a effect. That's very cool if you are an education teacher, because you guys will need to catch the eyes of your children, right? Space travel, and because the children need something cool, need something eye-catching things, so that they will watching your storybook or your content when they are on the online course or remote learning course. In the last 3 years, lots of distant education company and education worker using our service to demonstrate their course online. So we are very popular in some country. For example, in Malaysia, we are one of the largest content platform for the school. And I also want to share a little more story about the Ukraine, because right now there's a war between Russia and Ukraine, right? But I saw lots of Ukraine teachers using our book during this tough time for their children. Yeah, very great story, also sad story. And let's move on for the page. Maybe we just set and then I can have much focus if this background set live. And for the page flipping setting, you can have the slide mode, slideshow mode. I just show you the slide mode, right? This is called slide mode. I use the slide mode for today's webinar. So that's an exact case you just saw. But I strongly advise the standard mode is okay from the major client. And also you can set this one. The default one is the best one. So just leave that. And for this right to left option, I think today we have lots of clients from Middle East, right? You guys will need to use this right to left feature to control the content, because in Middle East, in the Bay Area, lots of country speak Arabic language. They are right to left language. Okay, so for the page display, you have a lots of page mode. For example, you have a single page mode or the double page mode. What that means, for example, if you need your content be amplified, you should use a single page. For example, in this book, if you use single page, it will be much larger. It will be much larger, right? You can see the interface go bigger, and you can slide one by one. For the double page part, you can set you can demonstrate the landscape like the hotel, like the normal hotel, right? Okay, so you can also customize to disable the last to flip the last page, and also you can set the preloader. Preloader means when you load your page, you can set here. That's the preloading. Okay, you can have this preloading customized on your own. Okay, and also you can have the QR code. When you turn it on, the QR code will be here. Will be on the what will be on the here on the corner. Okay, you can have the you can have also control the mobile for the full screen mode. Okay, you can also have the shadow on this part. You can control it. I will not recommend you change that because we optimize a lot in this tiny little details. And also you can have a cover. Some of the user will need hard cover because their old-fashioned way, they need some hardcover feeling. So you will use this hardcover to customize for your content. For example, if I turn it on, it has some line here, and yeah, that's called hardcover. But my book is not very clear, but it should have a line here. It's called hardcover. Okay, and also you can have the book the background, the page background. This will be used in the page editor. You can set it in the page editor, but if you set, for example, I set the red one again, you can see your content will not change anything, but you will see this red in the page editor. You will just move the page editor a few minutes later. Wow, just 1 hour passed. I really appreciate guys stay with me. Okay, so I will go a little bit faster. And the book margin means this margin and this margin. Okay, for the margin on the mobile is the same, and I will also show this embed setting. This embed is how you control your content be shared. If you only share, if you only want to share this book on your website, you should turn this on because it will control where your book can be seen. Okay. Okay, someone asked this. Okay, I will go to the page editor. Okay, you mean just someone asked me how to add the background music, right? The background music will be in the page editor. So let's maybe go back to the page editor. And after but this ugly, I need to make a little bit setting here. I need to use I need to use the minimize. I use the minimize, and I need to use the mute key. So it will go right exactly what I want because I just set it very clean, right? So just use the layout and preset will be save you lots of time if you do not need further customization. Oh, okay, let's just go to the page editor. This is our last part of the content, but very important. I will not cover the detail, but just give you the basic concept, okay? So this is the one we just customized just now. And right now, we are in the page editor, right? Page editor, okay. We can edit the page. For example, if I am a distributor in Hong Kong, I do not need these terms because this terms is for global user. It's so boring. So you can delete it. You can delete the page you want. And also, first thing first, you need to add background music, right? You can click here, audio. That's it. You can put the audio here. You can upload your audio, and then you can set it play when it enter the page. If you want the user enter the page and play the music, you select this one. That'd be fine. Maybe we just on the first one, right? We need the people feel the patience. So you just need to have this icon. Maybe we using this icon with much, but not okay for posture span. So maybe we just a little bit here and here, and upload an audio. But sorry, we do not have. I do not have an audio. But you, but your guys get a concept, right? Play when it enter the page, and then when the user open the book, enter the page, the background music will auto play it. You can set the volume. You can also set transparency. So the users cannot feel there's a background music here. Okay. So for this, that's the audio one. And for the second part is how to add a video, right? We're just talking about engagement. Audio is the first one. And the second one, I will demonstrate how to add video. Okay, you can just you can just have the click video, embed video. You can have this video icon because I will need to have 2 or 3 YouTube, and that's it. Okay, very easy, right? Customize the audio play. So I would demonstrate how the new Porsche 911, how powerful it is. All you just need to, sorry, this is YouTube. I need to click the YouTube button, and you can select the YouTube and just copy and paste the YouTube ID. This is called the YouTube ID. You can see there is a string under the, after the V. You can copy and paste. Oh, sorry. And put it here. That's it. And you can set it auto play when you enter the page, right? And it has sound, by the way. You have the sound. You can auto play. Very amazing. I will send the book in the comment field. You can feel that because I cannot demo the sounds in Google Meet because it's complex words. So I just will send you the book link instead. And okay, we finished the video, right? And also, I would like to cover a little bit about other. You can upload the video on your own. You can also loop the video because you need them play again and again. And okay, maybe we just make a little more video as our plan, copy paste, and then go back to the video and play the ID, but not the URL, because lots of customers will always have confused about the YouTube ID and the YouTube link. But in this one, we will not set it not play because the auto play one is here, right? So the third one, okay, we just copy the YouTube ID and then go to this one, select YouTube and paste that again. Okay, finish. Maybe we go to next. Okay, we have the beautiful logo, right? So we want them to have the link, have the official website link to this logo. How we should, that we call link, okay? So you just click the link and you can have the style first because you need the shape, right? You click the link, you have the shape, you have the area, but you don't want to cover the content. So you need to set the opacity to 0. Okay, you just have a layer, but it's totally transparent, right? And then in the trigger action, you can enter anything you want to lead the client. For example, if I Porsche and .com HK, right? And then done. Okay. When the people click this thing, it will go to the website. That's link. So we already covered the audio, the link, and the video parts. So next, okay, we still have this brand page, right? Premium web page is good, but how about we share the location? Okay, that's a great idea. So where it is, okay, we have the info ad, and we got a map. Okay, in this you can share your location in the book. For example, if just like enter Porsche Hong Kong, maybe Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. This is a call. Okay, that's a very great location. And then here, you get the map impact in your book when you can preview. Okay, let's preview how it looks. And look like this. You can your user, if your user interests your service, it will directly click the location link and go to your location for more, or just have some navigation active, right? If they are using the mobile device. And this is how it looks, the video we just add. And this is the link. When you click the link, okay, wow. We need to use because we did not have the link, right? So that's it. And the audio is here, okay? So next, I will go a little further how we can add some image, right? For example, if I have a gallery, I have a gallery to add on this. I want to demonstrate how our place looks like. For example, I have a, this is not the perfect image, but just excuse me for my presentation. And if I just want to show how beautiful my location, and you can have this one for the image, and then I click the trigger action, and then pop up image, and you can select a bunch image here. Maybe we're just using this A and using this 9, for example. And what it feels like, you can preview, because when the user click this image, this tree image, it will open this numbers gallery. Let's take a look, okay? Because I just said, so it will always let me to choose. For example, if the user click this tree, it will see, oops, something's wrong, okay. Pop up a message, that's, oh, I need to, let's try that again, because I think it's cache issue. Okay, maybe we just go to the live one for a try with Netshay. How we can get the book link in here. Share the link, open. No reading rights, okay, because we are editing. Because we set it private, okay, sorry. Okay, so maybe it should be open, but there is something wrong. Maybe our tech team is just updating something. They're still on work. So the concept is just you click the image, you will open the gallery. You can pop up a message or pop up a call if you like. For example, in the library, I will using some button call sorry, to button call me call hotline, and then you can set it a trigger action. So you guys know the logic, right? You add something and then you set a trigger action, and then the trigger action can be customized as what you want the interactive action the customer would like. So for example, I want the customer click the button and make a call. You can click the button and then click the trigger action call, and you have the number, right? That's my number. That's my number. You guys are welcome. Call me. Okay, that's it. That's the number. And add trigger. Okay, we can add multiple trigger, of course. And also you can have the pop up the message, pop up window. For example, if some people needed a web page pop up, right? They can have this trigger action called pop up window, and you have the URL links. It just means you can have the page open right in the book. Some of our competitors sell this feature as a paid feature, but I think we just have a very simple pricing strategy. We just have it on the page editor. You don't need to upgrade the version. You just need to buy one version. You have this great feature. Okay, so maybe it's a little late. It's already 10 minutes over time. So maybe we just go to the Q&A session, and let's see what should I answer the question. Okay. So how to make unique password for each my customer to try to protect my copyright, and how to control this? Wow, this is a great question. I think we have this feature. Let me take a little bit. How to control the visibility, right? And the visibility here. And that's cool. I think we do have this feature in some of our other product. It's called FlipBuilder. FlipBuilder also developed by our company. It do have this feature. So I will follow you up. I write a post for Majidi Abbasi, right? I assume that I pronounced right, because we do not support right now one password. But I think in one of our another product, Coffee Builder, have this feature. We can have the email, have the password one by one, connect to each other. But great product suggestion. Okay. Let's see other question. Okay. This link for what also. Okay, let me see what is the question. Okay, so if you guys have any question, just let me know. And my email is just type it here. Okay, my email is Glenn at FlipHTML5.com. HTML5.com. And you guys are welcome to send me any email to me, because I have two webinars, so I need to copy paste here. Okay. Okay. Oh, I got another question. But what could we gonna see the free book? How to can attach a text file instead of video. Yes, we can also attach a video file for the video. Sorry, maybe we'll just turn it on here, and you can also attach an audio file instead of video. Yes, I just showed a little bit before. You just click the audio file, and you can hear. But if you are talking about a third-party link, that's is it you're talking about a third-party audio file? If yes, I think we can. You can just have it. I think you can use the video tools because, for example, you can embed anything by using the video embed codes. For example, just give you a grab example. If I use google.com map, I can embed a map by using this feature. I'll just give you. Maybe we're just using SoundCloud. Okay. For example, if you have the SoundCloud, and that's the one I just played, you have, I think they have the share. They cannot embed, right? But if you can try a little bit to embed, for example, if you got a read audio file to embed, you can embed here. But you should modify the code as iframe, just the one like the YouTube, just the one like YouTube share embed. Because YouTube got music, right? YouTube got music. You can have the YouTube music file embed here. Sorry, where's it? Okay, here. You can put it here. Anything have an embed code. You can use the embed video and put it here. I assume you guys get my answer. You can have just the iframe face, and then if the URL support, for example, https abc.com music. Yeah, if the service support, if the music service support this, you can have it. For example, I just randomly embed ABC music. It works, right? So there's two ways to embed the video, the audio. Sorry, the first one is just upload the audio, and the second one, if your audio file is hosted on third-party side, you go to the video, use the embed video, and put it in this field. Okay, but for the last question, how would we like our client to see our free book without having the capacity change to something? How we could fix it? Okay, let me understand your question. How would like our client to see our book without having the capacity change to something? How we could? Okay, so I assume your question is like, okay, so I assume that your question is very common question asked by other clients. For example, I already shared this link, right? I already shared this link to my, let me see. Is it okay? Is it? Okay, not readable. Maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe the presentation, right? Maybe I just presentation I just shared before, right? I already shared this link to you, but I need to change it without changing the URL, right? So how can we make the change, right? For example, I need to recover. I need to override this presentation. How we should do? You should just go to customize. And using the feature I just mentioned at the beginning, re-upload. And then you can see here, you can re-upload the file. Once you re-upload, it will not change the URL. You can, for example, I just made some change, right? I just made some change for a little bit. I just changed this one, and I browse my file, a different file, but I don't want the URL change. I just share with your guys, and let's see. And then we upload. It will take a little time to converting, and you can see this right now. You have multiple media links to the video, to your book. Do you want to keep all the configuration? You just click keep. It will convert, and your book will keep the same URL as you wish. So I assume I understand your question, right? So Denise Summer, I hope I answer your question. So does you guys have any questions? Okay, let's see. Let's refresh this content, right? Okay, you can see. I assume that the video will go on because we just re-uploaded. Okay. So thanks for today's attendance. So if you guys have any questions, just send me the email. I will just send the book link. I just configure a little before. You can see how our service can be, how possible FlipHTML5 can help your content strategy. And I will plan more webinar, and welcome to join the other webinar in other days. Just share and finish maybe this one. This one. Okay, this book is the one I just make, and I just made a little customized. You can feel you can feel that you can see how possibility use. Okay. Just share the URL, the free book. Your client cannot change the content. Okay. Your questions about online. Okay. I mean, when I send a free book to the, I just mean, okay, where I see this question. Just share, I mean, just when I share the benefit to write on the free book. Oh, okay. I would like to see the book, only the readable, nothing else. Once I with a fan, you have the capacity to write on the free book. And okay, we do not support that. We do not. Oh, okay. So we do not have that level of collaboration. Sorry. Academy Summer. Okay. We do not have that kind of collaboration feature right now, but we have a comment feature. But because lots of comment feature will be abused by the spam user, so we are very careful for this feature, because we do not want our users' content be spammed by the spammer. So at this moment, we cannot make that happen. But I think if you're looking for collaboration, I strongly advise you purchase our enterprise version. It have the power for collaboration at some kind of level. Yeah, but it's not that powerful at this moment. I assume that if you collaborate, I think Microsoft OneDrive and the Google Slide is very powerful tool. You can cooperate on the content because we are not a collaboration editing tool. I just mean we are very focused on the engagement part. We are focused on the page editor. But I will recommend to my product manager. Thank you for your great idea. But I advise you to maybe a little try our enterprise version, or you can use Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Office, or Google Slide for the collaboration part. Okay. But my fact it could. That's the problem. Okay. How about you just send me the link or send me the email, because I don't want to take other people's time. Yeah, just really appreciate it. Okay. Do you have to download a PDF first? You can create a framework with Figma. Yeah, but if you're some must know. So I just missed your question. And if you should have the PDF, PowerPoint, words, image, and then you can have the free book. But once you convert it to convert the PDF to the free book, you can only download the PDF. But you can download your free book as the HTML version, as the EXE version. But it always can work offline on your computer, but not online. I hope I answer I hope I answer your question, because the product format is just belonging to FlipHTML5. It's an SS FlipHTML5, so you can only download the PDF, right? Or you can download the free book in HTML version, but it cannot work online if you do not subscribe again. So I would like to format a link to a URL as well for pop-up message directly. Is there any way that you can format this? I have to format links to URL as well as for pop-up message differently. Yes, that's. Is there any way to do this if you format the link to the URL? Wow. I think you just need to. For the unknown, I don't know why unknown asked this question, and you can just go to the page editor, and if you pop up message, you just need to. If you pop up a link, right? You just pop up a link. For example. Let me take this. If you need to pop up a link, you just need to pop up. You just need to enter the link. That would be good. Okay. If you pop up a message, but the message is the link itself, right? You just need to pop up a window. You just need to select the pop-up window. The link will be open in a pop-up message way, but it is a link, but it's a window. Okay. When you select this, for example, maybe just demonstrate directly. It's google.com, and you can. This book is not good. Maybe you just switch to another book. Maybe my presentation, right? Maybe my presentation. For example, if you want, click the Nova Hotel. So click the Nova Hotel. Sorry. Click the Nova Hotel image. For example, if I click the Nova Hotel, and you need to pop up a window, and then google.com, and then save and preview. It should pop up in the way you wish. It will pop up in a window, but okay. How can I? Maybe I just go to this one. The Nova Hotel. Okay, here it is. Right? It will open the link, it will open the link, it will open the website at a pop-up message. Wait, I will answer your question. And where it's possible to edit a spread in an offline version, possible to spread in an offline version. I think it's not possible to edit a spread in an offline version. Okay. Okay, so just say bye-bye for your guys. I think if you have any question, any idea unsolved, just send me the email at glenn@fliphTML5.com. See you guys. Bye-bye.